What it do? What's up guys? My name is Angela and today, as you can see from the title, we are going to install an exhaust on my 2015 Toyota Corolla. Let's get started. Okay, let me show you guys the type of exhaust that I got for my car. I just ordered this a couple days ago and it actually arrived sooner than I thought, so here you go. So I have yet to open it, but the type of exhaust we got is called the BORLA Exhaust. And I'll link it down below where I got it from, so you guys can, I guess, if you have a Toyota Corolla, you can get the same one too. But here it is. So now we are going to open it. Ooh, whoa, it came with a hat. That's cool.
Want to open it?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's nice. BORLA.com. Go ahead and head to that website, boys. Okay, let's... Ooh. Now look at that. That is some beauty right there. Okay, the lighting's really ass out here, but before we get started, let's go ahead and do a cold start before and after so you guys can see the difference between stock and the installation. It already sounds pretty good stock, not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and install that new exhaust and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're about to put this up on the Rhino ramp so we could go ahead and get under the car and get started. So we just got my car under the Rhino ramp and my brother's just going ahead and checking it out under there to see how everything is. To let you guys know, this is the first time that we're messing around with stuff like this. I did like put on spoilers and painted my rims and like switch my shift knobs and stuff, but this is the first time that we're working on, I guess, like actual mods on the car, so hopefully it goes well. And if you guys have any pointers or anything, just leave them down in the comments below. And yeah, so let's get started. A little update here, guys. So we couldn't get the stuff unbolted, so we're about to head to Home Depot and get some spray lubricant so it'll be easier to just unbolt everything. So we'll see you guys in a few. Hey guys, we're back from Home Depot and we went ahead and bought the spray lubricant. It was only like less than $4, so we're gonna go ahead and spray this on the bolts.
Yeah, I can't get these bitches off.
Which ones?
The bracket thing.
So guys, now he just took over and he's just tying everything up, and after this I think we should be done. You doing okay over there?
Yeah.
Oh, let me also show y'all while he's working on that my rim. So I just basically just painted this. First I coated it with Plasti Dip, and then I went in with gold spray paint just to kind of like match my shift knob. This is my shift knob. It does match the color of my rims. That's why I did that. And also I got the Surikawa right here, Broken Heart. I'll link where I got this down below. So I also got the decal that says Broken Hearted. I will also link that down below so you guys can go ahead check that out if you guys want it. And yeah, so just kind of match. And then here's my rims all around. Let me close my door. And then that. And then here is my spoiler. It also has Broken Hearted right on the side. We installed this like a few days ago, and I got it unpainted because it was cheaper, and I just spray painted it myself and it came out really good. So yeah, I also got another decal for my brother's truck. So that's that. Ooh, wow, I am looking like a whole mess. You know what we get to do? We get to take off the wrap on the tip of the exhaust. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh. Look at that clean. Yes. Hi. You doing okay? Props for having a brother who is into cars and can actually do work, because I wanted to do it, but I kind of gave up after a little bit. But I mean, I did kind of some stuff. I held it for him, which was probably the only thing I could do. He said I was useless, but I mean, it's my car, like. Oh, and he paid for half of my exhaust because it was a little expensive, so yeah. And I'll also like clip in some videos from my Snapchat that I took earlier when we were in between trying to take the stock and trying to install the new exhaust. So I'll go ahead and clip that right now. Okay guys, we're done putting on the exhaust. I'll show you a clip of the before and after so you guys can get a sense of what it sounds like. But now we're just gonna go on the highway and go for a test drive. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it on camera. If not, I'm sorry, but we're gonna go try it out. We're gonna go get gas for my car anyway. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, or leave a comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like. But this video is kind of little everywhere, but I mean, it's the first one, you know. So I kind of have a little bit more in store for you guys, just a little, not too much, but I hope you guys will be excited to see that as I am excited to get it going, you know. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.